Today I am reviewing the HyperX Cloud III S wireless gaming headset. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HyperX Cloud III S wireless gaming headset is one of the most versatile and feature-packed gaming headsets available today. Built for multi-platform use, this headset is perfect whether you're gaming on a PC, console, or even mobile device. It offers a dual connectivity system with ultra-low latency 2.4 GHz wireless that can give you up to 120 hours of continuous gameplay, and Bluetooth connectivity that extends your battery life up to an impressive 200 hours. This combination means you can game for days without worrying about charging, or switch to Bluetooth for casual use like listening to music or taking calls. Audio performance is a standout feature with 53mm angled drivers, meticulously tuned by HyperX audio engineers. These drivers deliver a crisp and immersive sound experience, accentuating every detail in your games, from subtle footsteps in tactical shooters to booming explosions in action-packed titles. With DTS Spatial audio included for PC, you get a 3D soundstage and precise directional cues, giving you a competitive edge in fast-paced games and a fully immersive experience for cinematic gameplay. Comfort is another area where HyperX excels. The signature memory foam headband and plush ear cushions, wrapped in soft leatherette, provide an extremely comfortable fit for long gaming sessions. Even after hours of wearing the headset, there's minimal fatigue, making it perfect for marathon gaming, streaming, or content creation. The aluminum frame adds durability, so you don't have to worry about accidental bumps or daily wear and tear, giving this headset both a premium feel and long-lasting reliability. The detachable 10mm boom microphone is flexible and includes an LED mute indicator with a mesh filter, capturing your voice clearly for in-game chat or conference calls. This ensures your teammates hear you perfectly without background noise interference. On top of that, the headset comes with intuitive onboard controls, including a wireless mode selector, volume wheel, mute button, and multi-function button for managing media playback, calls, and microphone settings without interrupting your gameplay. Compatibility is another huge plus. The Cloud III S works seamlessly with PC, PS5, PS4, Nintendo Switch, Mac, and mobile devices, and includes USB-A and USB-C connectors to ensure you can connect no matter what device you're using. If you want to customize your setup, removable magnetic earcup plates are available for a personalized look, adding a unique style element to your gaming rig. Whether you're a casual gamer, competitive esports player, or a streamer looking for superior audio quality and comfort, the HyperX Cloud III S is designed to meet all your needs. Between its long battery life, versatile connectivity, high-quality audio, customizable features, and robust comfort, this headset offers an exceptional gaming experience that truly stands out. From epic sound immersion to crystal-clear communication, the HyperX Cloud III S is a headset that elevates your gaming, entertainment, and content creation to the next level.